Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista. Halika't tignan po natin yung mga trial ni Jungkook at still somehow sa PJC. Mukhang sasali din yung dalawa na to sa Presidential Gold Cup at nagpa-practice na rin sila sa PJC. Yung mga nakakakalimot po kay still somehow, bayang karerista, ito po yung nanalo sa third leg ng Triple Crown noong 2024 nang talunin niya sa 2,000 meters si Ghost Worshipful Master at si Batang Manda.
Master is still somehow coming closer in third. Goes in fourth, then followed by Added Haha. Amazing Primavera High Dollar. The stage is set with 600 to go. It is still Batang Manda. Worshipful Master goes on the outside. Is still somehow also moving up. High Dollar. Batang Manda. Worshipful Master goes. Is still somehow joining them as the field turns for home. Is a heart-pounding race. Batang Manda goes. Worshipful Master is still somehow is on the outside. But still Batang Manda goes. Is still somehow is now goes. Batang Manda is still somehow. And finally, third leg belongs to is still somehow Batang Manda. Worshipful Master goes. High Dollar.
At yun nga, yung panalo ni Still Somehow, bayang karerista sa third leg ng 2024. At panoorin na po natin yung mga trial nila, Still Somehow at Jungkook dito sa PJC. Let's go! At yan ang trial ni Jungkook sa 1650 yan. 4, 24, 24, 24, 26, 143, Jungkook.
Afternoon, just a field of 3. Number 1, Marangal, P.A. Gamboa, riding for trainer B.J. Lorenzo. 2, Still Somehow. Bit troublesome, but they've got him in the gaze now. R.D. Raquel Jr. riding for R.E. Mongoya. And 3, Caring Melody. And the rider P.J. Aguse riding for R.S. Alcantara. So the grey Caring Melody joins the line. And we're just about set to go. The inside runner, Marangal. off and running. Marungal jumped pretty well off the inside, still somehow away fairly well. A little awkwardly away was Caring Melody as they run in the back, and they've got about 1,100 metres to travel now. Out in the centre of the track, we've got Still Somehow, but taking the lead away quickly now, Marungal after an ordinary getaway, and it's Marungal about 4 in advance of Still Somehow, and up to third then Caring Melody. Around about 8.50 to go, and Marungal is about 2.5 lengths in advance of getting into second spot now, Caring Melody, and third the inside of them is Still Somehow. So not too much over this field of 3. Travels pretty easy up front is Marungal, and he's about 1.5 lengths in advance of getting closer, Caring Melody, and then came Still Somehow as they run towards the home turn. About 4.50 left to go, and Caring Melody moves up and takes the lead away from Marungal, and back behind them is running on fairly well, Still Somehow at the 2.50 though. Marungal has gone through on the inside and taken the lead away from the outside Caring Melody, who's under the stick. So Caring Melody, ridden right out, is going to race away and win the trial, running on fairly well, Still Somehow, and it's Caring Melody down to the wire will beat Still Somehow, I feel, in second, and back in third was Marungal. So Caring Melody in the hands of PJ Aguse, taking out the third trial, riding for RS Alcantara, and takes out the third trial of the afternoon, or the fourth trial I should say. So that closes off our trials. First event at 5 p.m, so we're currently around about 25 minutes away from a start.
At yan nga yung barrier trial ni Still Somehow. Last November 26, nantalunin siya ni Caring Melody sa 1,200 at nagtala ng 1.15. Isang derimating kabayo kasi to, si Still Somehow. Magaling sa malayuan at mukhang nakakondisyon din naman. Batay po sa ating nakita at relax na relax lang din naman si RD Raquel, at palagay ko mas mahaba, mas magaling to si Still Somehow. Palagay ko sasali din siguro sa Presidential Gold Cup yan, pero hindi tayo sigurado, bayang kalerista, kasi magaling din yung kabayo na yan. Pwede rin naman siyang sumali sa Presidential Gold Cup. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, bayang kalerista, at good luck po sa Presidential Gold Cup na darating. Please subscribe, like, and share mga bayang idol. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat.